very own Bharat. So let us start again by filling up the atmosphere with energy, with patriotism and pride. Jai Hind!
Jai Hind!
Jai Hind!
Jai Hind!
Jai Hind!
Jai Hind!
Every year on 15 August, Bharat stands tall with pride and emotion, celebrating its hard-fought freedom and unity. On 15th August 2025, Bharat is proudly celebrating its 79th Independence Day, honoring the courage, unity, and unbreakable spirit that paved the way for freedom. It's a day that serves as a powerful reminder of the courage, hopes, and dreams that shaped our nation. From the iconic tricolor fluttering atop the Red Fort to poetic words that echo, tryst with destiny, the day honors the heroes who sacrificed everything for our liberation. It's a time for all Indians, regardless of language, religion, or region, to come together in gratitude, reflection, and patriotic celebration. India's struggle for independence was a long and varied journey. It began with East India Company's dominance and evolved through upsprings like 1857 revolt, the Swadeshi movement of 1905, and the Quit India movement of 1942, all centered on self-rule and reassistance. How can we forget the slogan given by Subhash Chandra Bose? तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा. तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा. Lokmanya Tilak added with a firm slogan, स्वराज्य हा माझा जन्मसिद्ध हक्क आहे आणि ते मी मिळवणारच. Finally, on 15th August 1947, the Indian Independence Act came into effect. British colonial rule ended and India awoke for freedom. That midnight, our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru raised the tricolor at Red Fort and delivered his inspiring speech. The famous lines from his speech, which we still remember, are: long years ago, we made a tryst with destiny. Now the time has come when we shall redeem our pledge, not wholly or in full measure, but very substantially. At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. A moment comes that rarely in history, when we step out from the old to the new, when an age ends and when the soul of the nation, long suppressed, finds utterance. So true words. On 15th August each year, India awakens to flag waving, school choir singing, streets turning tricolor, and hearts swelling with the patriotism. From the Red Fort's majestic backdrop to homes and campuses across millions of towns, the day unites citizens in gratitude and resolve. Bharat's Independence Day is more than a holiday. It's a celebration of identity, courage, and shared destiny. As Bharat marks each year, it honors its past and reaffirms its promise. Promise to strive for justice, promise for inclusion, and promise for progress. Let every heartbeat, flag hoist, and words sung echo the timeless message. Jai Hind. Thank you.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. आपका ये स्पीच जो है बहुत लोगों को इंस्पायर करेगा, ये आशा करता हूँ.